Welcome to Netiquette Next. Welcome back to the series of CANVA. I will be doing the editing and the template and showing you the interface of the CANVA from where I have left it in the recent video. I was telling you the effects, the fade, the position, transparency, the style, copy style, the log, and all the other amazing thing about CANVA. I will be continuing it from this point on. I have chosen this text and now I'm going to show you the function of this thing, which is spacing. This is giving me two options, the letter spacing and the line spacing. There is no letter spacing. I'm going to show you how it works. I have choose this one. Now it is spacing between the letters like this. I'm going to do it and undo it. And now I'm going to show you the line space difference and spacing. Here I'm going to do it. I have picked this one. Now I'm undoing it. It is becoming like before. So it was the effect, and now this is the listing. Here in this post, this text have been listing with the bullets. We can use bullets wherever we want in our templates, in our design. From this point, this is the listing point. For example, I'm putting a bullet in this, so it appeared here. It was unnecessary, it was just to show you, so I'm gonna undo it. So next one is the alignment. This text has been aligned. I'm gonna click on align again, and it look like this again, and this it has changed all the position again, and this it is now seems like unsequenced. So I'm gonna do it to redo it. These are the uppercase and lowercase. For example, I'm going to choose the text between, for example, this. It has changed its font, its size. Undo it. I have undo it. Now I'm gonna underline it. The lines have been appeared. I'm gonna undo it, then do it. I have underlined it, all this chosen, and now it appeared like this. I'm gonna undo it. From this point we can make our things italic. The next thing is italic. For example, it was the headline or the heading, so italic is not working on it. But if I choose the simple text, italic is working on it. It became italic. It's becoming change like this. I can bold my text. I can change its color from this point. Whomever color I want, I can change it. For example, I am choosing this and putting this color in it. I've choose this, and now I want it to be yellow. See, the color has been changed. I have again chosen it, and from this plus sign we can increase the size of our text. The sign is becoming increased. We can write it here, for example 100, and it will be more bigger than before. It will be increased. I'm gonna undo it like it was previous, and from this font minus sign we can resize, or we can decrease the size of our text. From this point we can choose the font shapes and size. For example, the heading should be bold, so I'm going to choose this. It was already chosen. And the text should be open, so it is appeared like this. We can use different fonts and different colors and different styles. Half of them are in Pro and half of them are in free CANVA. The text styles, we can choose any style we want. For example, a heading, the subheading, and the body. For example, this is the body. The rest of the tools I will be sharing with you in the next video. That's for now, and we will be back with another amazing Canva series. That's for now, and thank you. Keep watching and subscribe our channel.